Hello fans, welcome all. In today's video, we are going to discuss what you're supposed to have before you start online jobs. With the current unemployment among the youth here in Kenya, which stands at 35%, there is need to discuss or to create awareness about online jobs.
To start with, we need to look at some of the things that you may require and the skills that will be vital before you begin your journey of making money online.
You need either of these: a computer, a laptop, a tablet, or a smartphone. Besides, you need a working email and a reliable source of internet.
Apart from that, you must have skills on how to attach documents or even videos, because most of the online jobs requires you to attach documents and send them to the clients. Now we want to discuss on some of the important skills that you need to orient yourself with before you sign up and start working online.
First, you should have netiquette skill. This is the use of polite language, either verbally or non-verbally. When communicating with your client, it's good to use politeness markers and to be precise.
In addition to that, you need to have good negotiation skills. Some of these skills include knowing your strengths and your weaknesses. This will be very important when negotiating with your client. In addition to that, you need to be a keen listener. Don't interrupt unnecessarily when you are negotiating with your client. This can be through telephone conversation. Also, you need to know the options available so that you can be able to reach a compromise in the negotiation process, so that at the end of the day, it is a win-win situation.
Third, you should have good organizational skills. Be effective and efficient in your work. Do your research thoroughly to meet your client's needs or expectations. Don't be in a hurry doing your work, because you might end up delivering to your clients shoddy work, which may deny you a chance in the future.
In addition to that, you should be a keen listener and also pay attention to the details or instructions given by your client. This is important because if you don't follow those instructions, the client might request you to review the work that you have already done, and this might give you unnecessary pressure on your part.
Thank you for watching. In our next video, we will discuss or we will show you the sites where you can work and start getting money. Bye, and remember to subscribe.
Thank you.